Oh my. Oh, a lot of fish. I knew there was a lot over here. Oh, I do have a fish on. Maybe it's that same one. Oh, he's a big one too. It's that same one. I got you, buddy. That's a big one. It's a big one. Oh, he got off. Oh, I got one. He went and took it. He's pissed too. Beautiful little largie. That's a bite. That's a giant one. Missed. Good. Nice sized one. And another beautiful one. Fought pretty good. You guys can see us back out this guy right away. He's a little spawner. Pretty guy. Send him off. Alright. We have a fish on. Oh! I don't know if you guys saw that, but he jumped. Let's go bring him over here. This fucker. They're super aggressive. Oh, look, I'm on one already. This is fucking wild. Feels huge. They just fight really good because they're spawning right now, so we'll see. Right here. Another one. This fishing right now is literally just cast and catch, man. Wild. They're spawning. Dude, what the fuck? This is like automatic. Oh my god. This thing's huge. This is wild. Oh, he got off. No. Oh, he broke it. He broke my hook.